Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. So today's Indian Independence Day special. I'm going to do a small artwork along with some amazing calligraphy. Let's get started. Independence Day in India is celebrated annually on the 15th of August. It was on this day that India was declared independent from British rule. So the day 15th August is a very significant one as it reminds every Indian about this dawn of a new beginning, the freedom that we got from the British rule. और आज़ादी जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं. But ये आज़ादी was not very easy. This struggle for freedom was a long and tiresome one, and it witnessed the sacrifices of many freedom fighters. But today, after independence, India is the world's largest democracy. And keeping this theme in mind, मैं आज ये आर्टवर्क बना रही हूँ based on the Indian flag with the Indian flag colors. I'm just making this artwork with this theme in mind about the Independence Day, and I am very happy to be a citizen of this country. I am very proud and very happy to have born in a country like India, which has so many values, traditions, and most importantly, the unity that we have, the love that we have for one another. So this is my little artwork for the Indian Independence Day. And for the second part of the video, again, keeping the Indian Independence Day theme in mind, with the flag colors in mind, I am just using the three colors for making this calligraphy piece. So I hope you like this video. Do let me know what you like the most in this video and what else you want to see on this channel. Wishing everybody in advance Happy Independence Day to all my fellow citizens and all the people of my country, everybody who is a true Indian at heart. And thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Stay tuned for some more amazing work. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.